Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the latest image AI tool in town, which is Nano Banana. Seriously, this Nano Banana is making lots of waves in the internet these days. So I've spent a lot of days trying to see how this works so that I'll come and show you how to use how to use it. So now let's get to it right now. All right guys, so if you want to use these Nano Banana, so we're gonna use two methods. Now the first method is using Gemini, Google Gemini application, Google Gemini app. While the second is using Google AI Studio. So let's start with the first right now. If you don't have Google Gemini, go to Play Store, App Store, and look for Gemini. Look for Google Gemini. Alright, so now go to your search and search for Google Gemini. Google Gemini, Gemini. Then click on search. Alright, so we have the first one there, which is Google Gemini. So I already have it on my device. So just I'm gonna if you have it on your device, you can click on download. But I already have it here, so it's showing update. So I'm not gonna update it so because I already have it on my device. Now go back to now let's open Google Gemini. Go back to Google Gemini. Alright, so to access this, you need to set the model to 2.5 flash. 2.5 flash. If it's okay, I think it will be there but if it to be there it should be there. But if it's not on the 2.5 flash, I just do that by yourself. Okay, now click on image. All right, now once you click on image, you're gonna see something like looks like banana. Have you seen it? Like banana. You've seen the image showing banana image with a banana banana icon. So that is a Nano Banana, right? So now, so what if you want to work with this right now? So now let's manipulate, let's do some few manipulation so we see how this works. Now let me upload a picture from my device. Okay, this picture of me. Okay, this one here. Okay, this one that. Okay, here I'm putting on a Nigerian Nigerian attire, Nigerian dress. Okay, so now I'll say change the dress of this model to a classic let's say classy classy suit. Okay, now so let's try it and see. Okay, let's wait while this loads. Alright, so it's generating already, so let's see what comes up. Alright, you see how fast it is. Very fast. Actually, it's very fast. Alright, can you see? This is perfect. You see? So you can just save it to your device. Let me save it, so I'll try further. Alright, now this same image, let's try to manipulate it again. Okay, let's say change the background of this image to a let's say a busy street in New York. in New York. All right, let's try and see. Perfect. Can you see? Perfect. All right, so let's try any other stuff that we could do. Now let's upload my the same my image. Sorry, my image. All right. Okay, let's try something very striking that that gonna blow your mind. So let's upload that my image, first image, and that of Mark Zuckerberg. I already have the image on my phone just to test and show you guys how this works. Now I have two images here right now. So when I say okay, generate a realistic image of these two models having a good time in a yacht. Alright, let's test so you can see how this works too. Alright, so it's ready. So let's see. Can you see? Can you see? This is very cool. So cool. You can see how cool it is. Now let me tell you something again. If you feel that the person is not looking as giving a striking resemblance of what it should look like, then you should redo it again, do it again some other time, try it again, then until it gives you it gives you a perfect example of what you need. So let us click again, click the same image. Okay, sorry, this should okay, the same image. Okay, now let's try it again. All right, so do like this. Okay, so I'm just trying the same prompt to see how it's gonna work out, look like. Okay, okay, all right, so I think this is very good. This is very good. Can you see it? So now, okay, now there's something else that we could do with this image too. Now something that I learned about this, because I took a lot of this trying to test to see how this tool is to see how good it is. So I come up with some tests by myself. Now let's do this. Let me show you how this works. Now it is this tool is very intelligent, that that it could that it could bring out images of respected and known people in the world. Now let me do this now. Generate a realistic image of this uploaded model having a business discussion with Mark Zuckerberg, Donald Trump, Donald Trump, Donald Trump, Elon Musk. Yeah, I think this should be okay. And Elon Musk. Now let's see if it will be very intelligent to to bring out this kind of image. Let's see. Okay, in a, let's say, having a good in a in a private jet. Okay, now let's see. Okay. All right, so let's see what happens. Perfect. Have you seen it? You know, the recognition, you see, these now it brought out these people into the image. This is perfect. Have you seen it? Very, very realistic actually. Okay, now so let's just go back. Okay, now another thing you could do with this is what, to remove images. You remove you could remove also. You can also remove some part of the image, something for the image. Like, let's save this for example. Now let's re-upload it again. All right, re-upload the image. Then I'll say remove Donald Trump from this image. Now let's see if it will recognize Donald Trump and remove from the image. So let's see. Okay. Okay. Have you seen it? This is perfect. Perfect. Now let's check. You see, this is the image right here. We do not drop remove. Now let's scroll and check the first. Have you seen it? See the first, it remove it exactly from where it is. Have you see? Remove it and leave everything intact. You see, this is so perfect. Now this is how you can use it. Use this to create, to manipulate. This is for right now. I can say this is this is more useful than Photoshop. I'm telling you the truth. Very fast. You can manipulate images in a second. Very fast. Now let's try other use cases of this tool. Now let me show you how you can. Now let's try to create let me show you how to create a flyer from this tool. Okay, this is a flyer that don't worry, I'm going to show you how you do this. I'm going to show you how to create this flyer this time. So I'm going to place it right now. So I have the prompt of the flyer. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this in another video, but for now let's just test it and see how it create a flyer from this prompts that I've generated, that I've written. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to to get this, to write this kind of a prompts. I'll give you this kind of that will produce a flyer with it. So let's test it. Have you seen it? This is so perfect from what we've generated. Have you see? Perfect. See, this is a flyer. So now there are a lot of use cases that you can use with this tool. All right, so for this second part we're going to use Google AI Studio. Then you go to your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Now when you see where the right start posting a prompt. Okay, sorry, let's click on try Nano Banana. All right, so now this prompt, write your prompt. Let's see. So let's try what we've tried before with that our on the Gemini. So it's exactly the same thing. Okay, so let us try it right now. So let's click on this plus button to upload an image. Click on upload image. All right, photo library. So this is my image right now. Down there, right, this the same prompt we've used before. Let's use it. Same prompt. Generate a realistic image of this model having a business discussion with Mark Zuckerberg, Donald Trump, and Elon Musk in a private jet. Now let's send the prompt. That's how we see. Okay. Okay, now let's see what happened. This is perfect. This is the image. Let's open it. Perfect. This is the image. So realistic. This is exactly the face of the model that I uploaded. Have you seen it? See Donald Trump. See. Look at all of them that I've generated. Perfect. Have you seen it? You know, this is amazing. You know, this is amazing. I've saved it to my device already. This is perfect. Okay, now with this tool you can be able to generate, manipulate images. With this tool you could create flyers, you could create banner, you could create, realistic images that'll cost you a lot of time to do using Photoshop. But with this tool it is very, very fast and easy to use. So in our next videos I'm gonna create videos on how to use them on various use cases, like to create flyers, to create logo, to create, to create architectural designs. I mean, I've tested that already. I told you that I've been working on this for about 6 days since it started. So I'm going to show you all these things in our next videos. Alright, so if you know you've gained value from this video, please try to subscribe to this my channel, like the video, share it also to your friends to learn how to use it with you. Okay, alright guys, thank you very much. See you guys next time. Goodbye.